Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about astronomical telescope. Okay, that is astronomical telescope. Okay, so this telescope, it is mainly used to see images, okay, of an object which is at infinity or very far distance from us. Okay, like we can see the stars, isn't it, or other heavenly bodies, okay, including other planets, okay, by using this telescope. Fine. Now this astronomical telescope, so it is mainly two types. So one, it is refracting type, okay, or it is a refracting telescope, and second type which is reflecting telescope. Okay, in refracting telescope, we can see the phenomenon of refraction of light due to lenses. Okay, here in refracting telescope there will be two lenses. Okay, one is objective lens and second one will be eyepiece lens. Okay, and when we consider about this reflecting telescope, so here we can see the phenomenon of reflection of light, okay, due to spherical mirror. Okay, fine. Now first we will consider the first type of telescope, that is refracting telescope, and we can also find the image formation, okay, and a magnifying power for these two types of telescope. Okay, so first we'll discuss about a refracting telescope. This is a refracting telescope. Which is consisting of two lenses, okay, like microscope, but here the objective lens, which will be bigger in size, isn't it, than the eyepiece lens. Okay, so this is the objective lens, which is having larger aperture and larger focal length. Okay, and second one is the eyepiece lens, which is having smaller aperture and smaller focal length. Okay, fine. Now for two different position of the final image. Okay, the final image, it can form at minimum distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter from eyepiece lens. Okay, or it can also form at infinity, okay, from the eyepiece lens. So in both the cases we can find the magnifying power of the telescope. Okay, understood? So refracting telescope, it is consisting of two converging lens. Okay, one is objective, which is having larger aperture and larger focal length. Okay, second lens, it is eyepiece lens, which is having smaller aperture and smaller focal length. Okay, now here if we consider the image formation and the magnifying power, okay, due to a formation of image. Okay, so first we will consider when final image will form at minimum distance of distinct vision. Okay, that means this will be represented by D, isn't it? Which is 25 centimeter. Okay, so in that case, we can draw the image formation, and also you can find the magnifying power of the telescope. Okay, so in this case, when you consider final image, when it will form at 25 centimeter from eyepiece lens. Okay, so for this, here suppose this is the objective lens. Okay, so both the lenses, objective lens and eyepiece lens, so they are placed or they are mounted coaxially. Okay, means both the lenses having same optical axis. Okay, and like microscope, okay, here also we can adjust the separation between the two lenses, or we can adjust the tube length of the telescope. Okay, so here you see for this objective lens, if we consider incident light which is coming from an object, okay, and that is at infinity. Okay, that means here object will be at infinite distance from objective lens. Okay, so for that object, if we consider the ray of light which are parallel beam, okay, like this. So after refraction, okay, here we are considering one incident ray which is coming from a distant object, that is at here object at infinity. Okay, now these two rays after refraction from objective lens, okay, so they will meet at a particular point, isn't it? Okay, so which will be the focus of the objective lens. Okay, so these two refracted rays, so they are suppose intersecting at this point, which will be the first image, isn't it? Suppose this first image we have considered as A, B. Okay, here first image that is formed by objective lens at its focus. Okay, it is AB. Okay, so this is the optical center of objective lens. So since the light rays which are parallel, so after refraction we can get the image at focus of the objective lens, isn't it? That means this distance, it will be focal length of objective lens. Okay, now you see these two refracted rays after formation of image, so they will again incident on the eyepiece lens. Okay, So now since final image, okay, it will form at minimum distance of distinct vision. So for that case, these two refracted rays, they will diverge, isn't it? After refraction from this eyepiece lens. Okay? Accordingly, we can get one erect, okay, magnified and virtual image, okay, for this AB. Okay? Now, here you see this AB is the image which is formed by objective lens, and this image now it will behave like an object, okay, for the eyepiece lens. Okay, so final image it will form at a minimum distance of distinct vision. That means this two refracted rays, they will diverge. Okay, so here we are considering one refracted ray that is passing through the optical center of the eyepiece lens. Okay, so these rays now they will diverge, and for us we can see the magnified image, okay, which will be, suppose we have considered this is the magnified image or final image, which is A dash, and this is B dash. Okay, so this distance it is F naught from O to B. Fine. So this A dash, B dash, which will be the final image for the telescope. Okay, clear? Okay, that means here first we have considered AB is the image which is forming due to objective lens, okay, when object at infinity. And this first image, now it will behave like an object for eyepiece lens, or it will become object for eyepiece lens. Okay, and since now it will become object for eyepiece lens, so eyepiece will form the final magnified image of AB, which is A dash, B dash. Okay, and this final image A dash, B dash, isn't it? So this will form at a minimum distance of distinct vision, that is D from eyepiece lens. Fine. Now here you see this first image of the objective lens, which is AB. Okay, it is subtending angle, suppose it is beta, at eyepiece lens, and this angle or this angle, suppose it is alpha. Okay, फाइन, मतलब यहाँ पे देखो ए बी जो फर्स्ट इमेज है ना ये ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस के लिए, तो ये आईपीएस लेंस के साथ ना जो एंगल सबटेंड करेगा तो उसको हम लोग बीटा कंसिडर किया है, एंड द एंगल व्हिच इज सबटेंडेड बाय दिस ए बी एट objective lens, that we have considered as alpha. Okay, now the magnifying power of the telescope. Okay, so this will be the ratio of these two angles, which will be beta divided by alpha. Okay, so here we'll get the magnifying power for this telescope. तो अभी हमको इसके लिए जो मैग्नीफाइंग पावर मिलेगा the magnifying power of the telescope due to image formation at minimum distance of distinct vision. Okay, so it will be the ratio of these two angles. Okay, beta divided by alpha. Okay, again I am repeating these things. Now this beta, it is the angle subtended by first image AB at eyepiece lens. Okay, and alpha is the angle subtended by the same image AB, okay, at objective lens. Fine. Now here is see from this triangle, that is ABE. Here E we have considered optical center of eyepiece lens. Okay. So here is see from triangle, that is ABE. Okay. So we will get 10 beta. Okay, which will be क्या हो जाएगा AB by BE. Okay. Now for small value of beta. Okay, so 10 beta we can write this is almost equal to beta, isn't it? Okay, therefore this beta we can write directly, which will be AB by BE. Fine. Okay, similarly from this triangle, that is ABO, okay, we can write for small value of alpha, तो alpha क्या हो जाएगा, it will become AB by OB, isn't it? ठीक है. Similarly we can write your alpha will be क्या हो जाएगा, AB by OB, isn't it? For a small value of alpha and beta. Okay, okay, and this equation we can write from triangle, that is ABO for small value of alpha. Clear? Then your magnifying power. Okay, now it will become, here you see, therefore this magnifying power, this will become, you replace beta by this, isn't it, and alpha by this. Okay, then here AB will cancel out, isn't it? Okay, so if we replace beta and alpha in terms of this, na, AB by BE and AB by OB, okay, then your final ratio will be OB by BE. Okay, now you see according to sign convention, OB क्या हो जाएगा, OB is the image distance of objective lens, isn't it, which will be equal to focal length. Okay, BE क्या हो जाएगा, BE, this will be equal to object distance for eyepiece lens. Okay, clear? So here you can see from the figure, here according to sign convention, okay, according to sign convention. So we get OB, this will be equal to FO, focal length of the objective lens. Okay, and BE, this will be object distance for eyepiece lens. And according to साइन कन्वेंशन, ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव होगा, है कि नहीं? ओके, therefore in this equation we can replace OB by F naught, that is focal length of objective lens, and we can replace BE by UE, isn't it? Okay, so therefore we will get the final magnifying power, which will be क्या हो जाएगा, this will be F naught by UE. Okay, clear? So here sign will be minus, isn't it? Now you see here object distance for eyepiece lens. Okay, then again we can write in terms of image distance, which is here it is D. Okay, and also we can write in terms of focal length of the eyepiece lens. Okay, clear? So now here is C. Again we can write from lens formula. Okay, we have got 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, isn't it? Okay, now for eyepiece lens. Okay, so for eyepiece V it will be minus D, isn't it, according to sign convention, and U it will be equal to minus UE, isn't it, and F will be equal to FE. Therefore from this equation, okay, तो यहाँ से हमको 1 by U, ठीक है, which will be 1 by F minus 1 by V. Fine. So we can replace this as 1 by minus, sorry, this time will be minus, isn't it? This time will be minus. So here you see U, if we replace by minus UE, isn't it? Then finally it will become plus, F will be FE. Okay, understood? Here minus sign from the equation, isn't it? And we have got, according to sign convention, U it is minus UE. Okay, so minus minus it will become plus. Okay, and V we have got what? Minus D, isn't it? So if we replace V by minus D, then again it will become minus minus, it will become plus, isn't it? 1 by D. Okay, so the final equation, isn't it, for the magnifying power, here you see in this equation, if we replace UE, isn't it, in terms of focal length and distance of minimum distinct vision, isn't it, that is D, then we get therefore your final equation for magnifying power क्या हो जाएगा, you replace UE by this, isn't it, then this will be minus F naught 1 by Fe plus 1 by D. Okay. Also we can write. So now you see this is the final equation. So this we can also write, or the final equation it will become like this. Here if we take 1 by Fe common, isn't it? Then final equation will be minus F naught by Fe, okay, into 1 plus Fe by D. So this will be the equation for magnifying power in case of refracting telescope. Okay, when final image it will form at minimum distance of distinct vision. Okay, then your equation will become like this, isn't it? Okay, now if final image will form at infinity, okay, fine, then your equation will become, so in second case, when you consider when the final image will form at infinity. Okay, so in that case the telescope, okay, for the final image formation at infinity, so this is known as this condition, okay, it is also known as normal adjustment. Okay, so when it is considered as normal adjustment, okay, then your final image will form at infinity from the eyepiece lens. Okay, now here you say when image will form at minimum distance of distinct vision, then this rays, final refracted rays A, so they will diverge. Okay, because of that we are getting the virtual image of AB, which is A dash B dash. Fine. Now if the final image it will form at infinity, okay, so in that case the rays after refraction from the eyepiece lens, so they will become parallel, isn't it? Okay, then your D will become infinite, isn't it? So in that case 1 by infinite value ना, ये क्या हो जाएगा? This will be 0, isn't it? Then your equation will become minus F naught by Fe. Okay, understood? So in that case, here for this case, isn't it? Here we have got VE, image distance for eyepiece, which is minus D, isn't it? Now in this case, okay, object distance, okay, for eyepiece lens, this will also become focal length of eyepiece lens, because we have already got when you place the object at focus, then your final image will form at infinity. Okay, and VE, that means image distance for eyepiece lens, this will become infinite. Okay, so in that case your magnifying power, okay, magnifying power will be क्या हो जाएगा? This will become minus f naught by fe into 1 plus fe by infinite, isn't it? And 1 by infinite, this will become 0. Okay? So accordingly, here the final equation for magnifying power due to image formation at infinity. Okay? So this will become, क्या हो जाएगा? Minus f naught by f e. Okay? Clear? So in that case, the final refracted rays from eyepiece lens, so they will become parallel. Okay, after refraction from eyepiece lens. Okay, clear? When the telescope is under normal adjustment, so in that case your final image will form at infinity. Okay, then image distance due to eyepiece lens, it will become infinite. Okay, and for that condition, your object distance due to eyepiece lens, so it will become focal length of the eyepiece lens. Clear? Okay. So accordingly, in these two cases, isn't it? This equation will get when final image will form at minimum distance of distinct vision, and this equation for magnifying power, this will be for the second case, isn't it? Under normal adjustment. Okay, clear? And in both the cases, in first case, when your image distance due to eyepiece lens, it is minus d. Okay, then your tube length, that means the separation between the two lenses, so this will become focal length of the objective lens plus object distance due to eyepiece lens. Okay, clear? And in second case, when the final image, it will form at infinity from eyepiece lens. Okay, so in that case your tube length, it will become, that means tube length means separation between the objective and eyepiece lens. Okay, so this will become, in that case, UE, this will become focal length of eyepiece lens, isn't it? So it will be sum of focal length of objective lens plus focal length of eyepiece lens. Okay, clear? So this was all about astronomical telescope, and when I consider it is a refracting type telescope. Okay, and for reflecting type telescope, so we will come in a second video. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you.